This video tutorial will show you how to set up a dual boot system with Windows and Fedora. Remember, back up any and all important data in Windows as a precaution. While it's unlikely anything will go wrong with the installation, there's always a chance. You've been warned. Start the installer and choose your language and keyboard layout. Then set the date, time, and time zone if they aren't set automatically. Now click Change Destination and select the first disk, most likely SDA. Make sure Shared Disk with Other Operating Systems is selected. Under you might get a warning you don't have enough free space, which is to be expected. Click Next. Now we need to resize the largest partition. Click the icon next to the trash can and shrink partition, so the new partition will have a minimum of 40 gigabytes. Then click on Resize. Click Reclaim Space. You can encrypt the drive if you like, but in this video, we'll just continue on. Now enter a name. The username will automatically be created, but if you want something else, feel free to change it. Then add a password. Ignore Enable Root Account and click Next. Check I understand that some partitions will be modified, then click Install. Now sit back and wait for Fedora to install. Once installed, click Exit to Live Desktop, then click the Start button and restart. You now have Fedora installed. If you want to go into Windows, simply reboot and choose Windows Boot Manager from the menu. Your screen might look a little different from this video.